Hey guys, so it is time to do another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. Never mind the messy bun, like all these like little frizzies are driving me crazy, but I just didn't have time to actually like do my hair, but I did my makeup, so there's that at least. Anyways, let's dive on in. So for those of you who aren't aware, Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription service. They offer it in 3 different versions now. You can get the normal, the plus, and then I believe the biggest one's called the ultimate now. In the normal and the plus, you get 5 items each, and in the ultimate, I think you get like 11 or something. I don't know. Google that information if you're interested in doing the ultimate. This one, I believe, is now $25 a month. But the difference between the plus and the normal is that these products are full size. Now for the month of March, they did include a bonus like 6th item. I want to say it was because it was like Ipsy's 100 bag or something. I don't know. I'll take it. A bonus product is a bonus product. So let's dive on in. So the first thing I see is a little card. It says March 25th is your choose a product date. That is one of the benefits that Ipsy Glam Bag subscribers get, is that they now get to choose one of their products that will be in the next month's box. Hi. Sophie says hi. I'll try to include some footage. If not, I'm sorry. There's some other videos with her in them. It says, party on, our 100th Glam Bag celebration is still going strong. Join us at Ipsy for all sorts of great things. Okay, so this is interesting. So last month, if you watched my video or if you got a Glam Bag, you may have noticed that like they didn't actually list your products on the card, and I don't know why. The only reason why I cared about whether or not they listed the products is because I like to compare the MSRP of what Ipsy says it is to what it actually is, especially because sometimes historically I do think Ipsy has overinflated the price to make it feel like you get a better deal. Maybe they're a little bit more honest now. I haven't caught them in anything too weird lately, but this is mostly before I started filming my boxes that this is when I would catch things like this. So anyway, we'll go start looking at our products now. So the first product I see is the Auto Balm Pick Perfs Shadows on the Go eyeshadow set. And it's in a little metal tin, so that's kind of cool, kind of different than the normal, I don't know what you want to call it, cardboard, but now I'm actually having difficulty opening it, so now I might actually change my mind about how I feel about this. Oh wait, there's like a little thing here that I think I'm supposed to pull, maybe? Aha! Okay, so there's this little ribbon right here that if you pull it, it helps you to open it up. So someone figured that part out at least. Let's look at these shades. I do like all of these shades. I do feel like I would use all of these. I feel like this is actually a really nice set for like I don't need to pull out multiple palettes to get one look with this. So I do like that, and I think I'm gonna have fun playing with this one. And I do typically like stuff from the Balm as well. The next product I see is a brush by Complex Culture. This is kind of fun because it's actually triangle shaped. I do want to see what the card says about this one because I don't remember what kind of brush this is. It says it's a precision concealer brush. This isn't your standard fluffy concealer brush. It has densely packed bristles for a full coverage finish and an angled tip for ultra precise and even application when concealing your under eyes, the sides of your nose, or corners of your face. So I do like this. I know it's supposed to be for concealer, but I feel like this might actually be really nice for bronzer as well, and like contouring. I'm just getting into the contouring game, so pretty excited about that. I always enjoy a good brush from them, so that's always good. The next item I'm seeing, I think, if I remember correctly, I always look at my spoilers, but whether or not I remember them by the time the box gets here is another story. I think I'm getting a lippy, and I think this is it. Yes, this is the Lippy by Phase Zero. It is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Undercover. This is a nice like springtime color, I feel like. Now that it is March, things are getting warm again. I'll swatch that. I'll swatch this and anything else, and I'll try to include like pictures as we go. Just because I'm awful at like getting good shots of swatching on the go. The next product I see is the one I actually chose. It is the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. So I do want to smell this, and I want to see if I can get this open. Oh, you can't twist the top off. Okay. I like that smell. I want to see if it's anything like that Perlice watermelon daily exfoliating thing that FabFitFun sent me. It's not quite as particulate-y, if that makes sense. Not as many particles in it. That's what I'm trying to say. So I do feel like this would be a gentle cleanser that I could use every day without irritating my skin. So that'll be nice. So, and I do really like the smell in that. So I'm happy with that. And the next product I see is the coffee scrub in coconut. I did get a coffee scented body scrub, I want to say in my winter FabFitFun, but maybe it was in my spring. I honestly don't remember. I always like body scrubs. I ain't mad. So I'm happy about this product, but I do feel like it's pretty small. Like I am going to be able to get a couple uses out of this. I just feel like it's a little small for a full-size product. I feel like this would be more representative of something I might see in the normal. But either way, happy about the product. And then the last product I see here, this is the 6th bonus item. And if I remember correctly, at least for the Plus and the normal subscribers, I'm not sure about Ultimate. I want to say the 6th item wasn't a full size. This might be a full size, but I'll see here in a minute. It is a water-resistant liquid eyeliner by the company Seraphine Botanicals, and it is called the Luna Liner. So let's figure that. Let's take a looky-loo here. Okay. So this is. It does look like it's a full-size product. I don't think it's not like any sort of deluxe size or something. And then I do want to look at the tip of this, because not all tips are created equal. Oh, okay, so that's more of like a fat tip, if you will, but not necessarily a bad thing. And it has good line, good moisture content. It's not dried out like sometimes these eyeliners are by the time they get to me. And then lastly, we are going to look at the bag they sent me. As you may know, if you've been watching my videos, I don't really care about the bag anymore. I have enough bags, but here's the front, here's the back. But when you open it, it says Unstoppable. The size is a little small for my taste. I didn't realize it compared to the website that like it would be a pink on one side and then like a teal lime on the other side. I don't think those colors quite go. Honestly, this is probably gonna end up at Goodwill. So either way, I'm just about the bag. I do like some of the bags they send in the Ultimates, or that they have been sending in the Ultimates. Not all of them, but some of them I do like. So I've been thinking about purchasing those, but yeah, we'll see. Now, before we finish up this video, I do like to go back and look at the items I got in last month's Ipsy, just to see whether or not I actually used them and it got any sort of utility out of them. Hi! I know. I'm talking to the people. Do you want to say hi? Come here. Oh my goodness. Sophie says hi. Come here. Say hi. Can you say hi? She says no. You didn't actually want her to be picked up. You just wanted pets. Thank you. Anyways, let's take a look at last month's products and whether or not I used them. The first product was a set of 3 face masks. I want to say they were by Sweet Chef. Loved those masks, and they were really cute because they had like little puns on them as well. And my skin really liked them, so I have good things to say about them. So I obviously enjoyed those and used those. The next product was the 3 Plays lipstick by Belle and Argent. Again, no idea if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is actually the color I'm wearing today. I thought it would come on a little darker, but overall, I like the color. I ain't mad. So I'm pretty happy with that. And of course, for those of you who remember how much fun I had with this last time, the case is magnetic. So anyways. Another product that I got last month that I have been loving, I'm wearing this right now. This is like my go-to cover up or foundation for pretty much anything that's like, this is my good stuff. This is the stuff I use for special occasions. It is the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Foundation in the shade Fair. This is perfect. I don't know how much I'll be able to use this come the summer months because I work outside for 8 to 10 hours a day in the summer. So I usually have to switch foundation colors to a little bit of a darker shade just to accommodate for that. And in fact, I'm already starting to get my V down here. So I like this for the winter months at least. This is perfect. I'm just very happy because Ipsy doesn't normally send foundation out. So that was a really nice and pleasant change to see from them. The next product was the Il Maquillage eyeliner. I really liked this tip on it, but it is already starting to dry out, and that's an issue I've been having from the Ipsy eyeliners, is that they're good for a couple uses, but then they start drying out, which is really annoying. So we'll have to see if this next one starts drying out as well. And I don't know if it's just an issue of like, it's just been sitting too long on shelves or something, or, you know, what? Meow. She wants attention. She just doesn't want to be picked up. Meow. 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 Can I finish my video, darling? No. She says no. Only pay attention to Kitty. Okay, well, I'm going to finish my video anyway, okay, ma'am? Okay. So for the last item I got in last month's box, it is the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather eyeshadow palette. I also used one of the shades in this eye look. I'll go ahead and open it up and give you guys a look at the shades. You can tell I've been playing around with it. This isn't my favorite palette. It's not going to be one that's a go-to for me by any means, just because I feel like it's hard to get a complete look out of this palette. Like, I used one of the brown shades, Sweater Weather, but like they didn't really have like a good light shade for this other part, and this is a pretty basic eyeshadow look for me. I don't get too crazy with my eyeshadow looks. So yeah, probably this might end up being given to a friend. So could be worse, could be better, but overall, I'm happy with Ipsy. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked this video, if you made it this far, please consider doing all the happy YouTube algorithm things, such as, you know, subscribing and liking, sharing, commenting, etc. Anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day.